Hello, today we're talking about Araquanid, the second of two water bug Pokémon. As of the filming of this, the other being its pre-evolution, Jupiter, who evolves at level 22. Its previous BYC dates are March 19th, 1998, January 18th, 2001, November 20th, 2003, September 21st, 2006, July 23rd, 2009, May 24th, 2012, March 26th, 2015, January 25th, 2018, November 26th, 2020, and September 28th, 2023. I think Araquanid is a good evolution of Jupiter, and if they were going for a kind of alien aesthetic, I think they did a good job. Anyway, let's get in the Bulbapedia article. Hello and welcome to the Bulbapedia section of the video. Today we're talking about Araquanid, the water bubble Pokemon whose number is 0752. This is what it looks like. Its type is water bug. Abilities, water bubble. Water absorb is an ability. Gender ratio is 50-50. Catch rate is 100 or 21.7%. Breeding is egg groups water 1 and bug. Hatch time 15 cycles. Height is 5'11" or 1.8 meters. Weight is 180.8 pounds or 82 kilograms. Base experience yield is 159. Leveling rate is medium fast. EV yield is 2 and special defense. Shape is that. Pokedex color is green and base friendship is 70. Araquanid is a dual type water/bug Pokemon introduced in Gen 7. It evolves from Jupiter starting at level 22. Biology: Araquanid is an arachnoid Pokemon with a water bubble around its head. The majority of its body is dark gray with accents of yellow-green and light brown. It has large blue eyes with a paler, wavy line through the centers. Above its eyes are light brown markings similar to eyebrows. It has 3 pointed blue bumps on top of its head and 4 fang-like projections underneath. Both the bumps and its eyes are capable of glowing. Its abdomen was a light brown stripe down the center of its back with 2 horizontal lines crossing it. Several light brown extensions at its neck flare out and connect to the bubble around its head. At the end of its abdomen is a light green spinneret. It has 6 light green legs with opaque bubbles around the joints. The tips of its legs are dark gray. Araquanid uses the bubble around its head as both a weapon and a protective shield. The bubbles it launches will have a sticky effect. It will headbutt enemies with it, and small Pokemon can be sucked in and drowned. Foes it traps inside these bubbles will lose consciousness before getting torn apart by Araquanid's gnashing jaws. Subdued prey can also be stored inside when the Araquanid is not hungry. However, it will also bring weaker Pokemon and valuable items into the bubble for protection. Notably, it carries around its Jupiter children while feeding them with food within the head bubble. A special Araquanid in Alola acts as the totem Pokemon for Lana's trial in Brooklet Hill. This Araquanid possesses Z-power and energy that originates from ultra wormholes and takes the form of a golden flaring aura. The reward for defeating Totem Araquanid and completing the trial is a Waterium Z. Araquanid and its pre-evolved form, Jupiter, are the only known Pokemon that can have Water Bubble as an ability. Evolution: Araquanid evolves from Jupiter, so Jupiter, Araquanid. Game data: Pokedex entries in Gen 7, Sun. It delivers headbutts with the water bubble on its head. Small Pokemon get sucked into the bubble, where they drown. Moon. Despite what its appearance suggests, it cares for others. If it finds vulnerable, weak Pokemon, it protectively brings them into its water bubble. Ultra Sun. It usually passes its time in the water. When its belly is full, it stores its subdued prey in the water bubble on its head. Ultra Moon. It has a habit of storing things it values in its water bubble. If its trainer doesn't watch out, Araquanid will try to put them in its bubble. Intonate Sword. It launches water bubbles with its legs, drowning prey with the bubbles. This Pokemon can then take its time to savor its meal, Shield, and acts as a caretaker for Jupiter, putting them inside its bubble and letting them eat any leftover food. In Gen 9, Scarlet. A caring Pokemon, Araquanid carries Jupiter around inside its water bubble to protect them as it walks. It protects its food in its bubble, too. Violet. It launches sticky water bubbles. Foes who lose consciousness while trapped inside these bubbles will get torn apart by Araquanid's gnashing jaws. Araquanid in the Alola Pokedex. Araquanid in the Blueberry Pokedex. The full evolutionary line image. Got a couple Araquanid and a couple Jupiter here on this beach. Game locations. Side game locations. Held items in Sun, Moon, Ultra Sun, Ultra Moon, Sword and Shield has the Mystic Water 5% of the time. Stats: base stats, HP 68, attack 70, defense 92, special attack 50, special defense 132, speed 42 for a total of 454. Type effectiveness: damage normally by normal, poison, bug, ghost, fire, grass, psychic, dragon, dark, and fairy. Weak to flying, rock, and electric all for double, immune to nothing, resistant to fighting, ground, steel, water, and ice all for half. Notes if this Pokemon has Water Absorb, the effectiveness of Water-type moves is 0, so it'd be 0 instead of half. If this Pokemon has Water Bubble, the effectiveness of Fire-type moves is half, so it would be half instead of 1. Learn set by leveling up. We'll start at 26. So 26 Crunch, 32 Soak, 38 Entrainment, 44 Lunge, 50 Liquidation, 56 Leech Life, and 62 Mirror Coat. By TM we're skipping. By Breeding we're skipping. Nothing by Prior Evolution. Side game data, you got all this. Evolution data. Jupiter, level 22. Araquanid. Sprites. Just got the models. Shiny, like Jupiter, has orange for the light blue. Purple for the green. Oh, and has black for the brown. Cool. Gen 8, you get the much better models. Homes, you get these models. Animation, Araquanid in Pokemon the series, Sun and Moon. Got all this. In the manga, Araquanid in Pokemon Adventures. Got all this in the TCG. Trivia, I read this point in the Masquerain video. Concept and development. Concept art featuring Araquanid from Pokemon Sun and Moon. So got it like all from the top view, side view, back view. See under it, I guess, and just its head, and the different parts of its body, and shooting the bubbles and trapping a Pokemon in it. Origin, Araquanid, appears to be based on the diving bell spider, a species that gathers air into a bubble and uses it to breathe underwater. Araquanid, however, reverses this by instead utilizing a bubble of water to breathe above the surface. Given its long, skinny legs, Araquanid may also take some influence from one of the many species of sea spiders, while the colors resemble reeds. The growths on its head may be inspired by the Hawaiian happy-face spider. Name origin, Araquanid may be a combination of arachnid and aqua. Oni Shizukumo may be a combination of Unigumo, Aranius ventricosus, Oni demon, Shizuku drop of water or other liquids, Mizugumo diving bell spider, Kumo spider, and Shizukumo Jupiter's Japanese name. And the languages, better articles, external links to the totem Pokemon. Let's move on. Since we watched Araquanid's first scene in the anime yesterday, let's watch Araquanid's second scene in the anime. Hello and welcome to the anime portion of the video. Today we are watching episode 1010, Jupiter Ascending. In this episode, we are in a clear pond, or in this like little cave area, I guess. And we have this Araquanid and a bunch of these Jupiter. The narrator is explaining these Pokemon.
A water bubble Pokemon, but it's an Araquanid, the evolution of Jupiter.
I would say that's Araquanid's second scene in the anime. Let's move on. Now let's see why other people love Araquanid. Now let's look at fan art. Hello and welcome to the fan art section of the video. Nobody sent fan art, so instead we're looking at DeviantArt fan art. For those of you from the series, you might be wondering why we're on the single image, and that's because it's the only image we're doing today. This is Jared Richardson Pokemon Team by W. McLaughlin 58. I guess this is the Pokemon team of someone named Jared Richardson. It's an old bug team. You've got Ariados, Yanmega, Beedrill, Galvantula, Lowkicks, and Araquanid. I really like the lightning effect and the water effect here. It's very well done. That's it, let's move on. Thanks to everyone who submitted fan art. Tomorrow we talk about Fomantis. That video will be out at 9 AM CDT Central Daylight Time. As always, this is my proper outfit. I'll see you tomorrow.